Infinix Note 40 Pro. What is amazing about this device? Well, let's find out. Top 5 features of the Infinix Note 40 Pro 5G. This is Tech Review. Want to know why the Infinix Note 40 Pro 5G is a game changer? Then stay tuned. Please consider subscribing to this channel by clicking the subscribe button if you haven't done so, just to appreciate what you're about to watch. Thank you. Now let's get started. Number 1. Design and display. It is being designed with a mold material, and it comes with different colors, which includes vintage green, Titan gold, racing edition. So what do you think about the Infinix Note 40 Pro colors and design? Let's know in the comments section below. Number 2. The second among the top 5 features of the Infinix Note 40 Pro, battery and charging. It comes with a battery capacity of 5000 mAh, and it supports fast charging. The advanced feature about the Note 40 Pro is the ability to charge wirelessly. That sounds great, right? If you are still watching this video, click the like and subscribe button, as we are about to uncover the third top features of the Note 40 Pro. 3. Third among 5 top features of the Infinix Note 40 Pro. Camera. The Infinix Note 40 Pro comes with a rear camera of 108 MP, and it also comes with a front camera of 32 MP. Number 4. Storage. This device comes with 8GB and 12GB RAM, and a ROM of 256GB. Number 5. Water resistance. The Infinix Note 40 Pro comes with water resistance code of IP54. This means it was designed for splash, water, and dust resistance. There are many hidden and untold info, which I will uncover in this channel in the next video. So to be the first to get notified, click the subscription button, and also click the like button, so that other people can also see it. If you have any question, drop it in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.